how to remove Instagram from the account center. So let's go and open up our Instagram for this tutorial. So basically, or usually, you will be directed to your homepage of your Instagram. So for this, let's go to our profile by tapping on our profile and go to that three lines above. Go to settings and privacy. So tap on that one and then go to the account center since we need to remove Instagram from it. And when you're here, go to accounts and you would see the remove option here for Instagram. So tap on that and then tap on continue and then remove your account. So this will remove your account from your account center. So if this video helped you, please subscribe and click on that bell icon on so you'll be updated here in our channel. And also, thank you for watching this tutorial. See you on the next one.